If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update, and we are trading again at 2864. We know that, right? You know that. I know that already. Let's remove the all the drawings again. Let's refresh things. JASMY, right? My plan from the very beginning for JASMY was the following simple plan, and I talked about this. So many people thought that I'm crazy, and well, people are people, so let's not blame people. By the way, let's focus on TA. Here we are, okay. Back to Google, Mr. Google, and let's check this out. And by the way, if you guys want to learn, if you ever thought about learning all of these things, if you've been watching JASMY, you got a trading course that you can take. This, don't let the price let you down, because it's not different than a university semester price. And if you compare this to a university price, super cheap, guys. Check this out. It's 20 hours of course for you to learn. Be good on your own, just the way I'm doing things. You got the whole proof for so many days. I think 9 out of 10 of these updates are actually pretty accurate. So yeah, if you're interested, check this out. Message me on Twitter to pay with crypto. Link is in the description of the video. And after that, a little bit of a promotion right there. Let's go back to Google again. And what I want to talk about is a bearish rectangle. Okay, so this was what started the whole dump, right? And I showed you the reference some few weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago, and this is what happened. Okay, so you went to the downside, you moved sideways, you broke to the downside, and you continued. That's what I talked about JASMY right here. So where did that appear? That appeared at this point. So if I take this trend line from there to there, and I take this lower trend line from here to here, that's where the biggest problem happened. And this was the sideways movement, which is known as a bearish rectangle. And then all you do is you take that top to the bottom, number one. Number two is you place it from where you just broke it out. And that's the reason why I've given you this green box for a long time that I just removed earlier in the from the video. So 20,000 to 16,000 is not 20,000, 2,000 to 1,600 is a technical target that really just comes out of that bearish rectangle right over there. How many people noticed this? No one noticed it. And that's the reason why when you have a bear pattern that is in play like this, you can make pumps in between, but it's still gonna fail to move higher, because you have a force so great from above that it's like a magnet pushing it all the way down to go there. You don't have anything to do. Number two, you do have this bear flag. I gave you the 2,500 technical target. We are near the first technical target, which is actually 2,500. So it's very close. Very soon you're gonna get 2,500. You do have 2,863. Go to 2,500, move all the way down to this technical target. Now from here, I cannot really say where you're gonna go. And perhaps you can come down here, spend some time sideways. I don't know. You can still make another sideways pattern, a pennant, a continuation pattern, and still drop even way more down. That's something you have to keep in mind. Just because you come here doesn't mean you're gonna bottom out, because when we moved down like this, went up, I gave the call we're gonna move down there. When we moved down here, people thought that this is the bottom here, but I said, man, be careful. This can end up being nothing more than a bearish rectangle, and it actually ended up being that, and we still came down here. Now what happens here still is gonna remain a mystery. It's gonna be a question mark, because don't forget, on the monthly, even if you drop down there, that still makes it another 3 black crows, and 3 black crows means continuation to the downside. So we still, there's a saying that goes, professional saying that goes, do not bottom fish. Okay, do not bottom fish. If you need something better, you can actually get help from the EMAs. You can bring in the EMAs indicators and learn about the indicators. You can see that this is the 10 on the monthly, that it has been really huge. But yes, one thing can be expected. When you come down here, you can actually pump back up all the way to the 10 EMA. Touch the 10 EMA, and if you are interested to continue and bottom out here, that's the first time you must break the 10 with a big volume, back test the 10, try to move up to the 20, cross the 20, break the downtrend like this, and then get above the 20, get above the 10, and from here you start to come up to the 55 EMA, which can actually be up to 9,000, 8,000 something here. Break the 55 as well, and we have a very solid uptrend, and then there's no any more downtrend. So that's what you can expect to see for a break of a downtrend. And that's pretty much it for this JASMY video update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.